In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or install the Grammarly extension to your Google Chrome app so you can use Grammarly on Google Chrome seamlessly. Let's dive right in with these simple, straightforward steps. First, to get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. You'll want to make sure you're on Chrome since this extension is specifically designed to work with this browser. Now, once you're in Google Chrome, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the screen. Here, you're going to type in the full web address of the Chrome Web Store. It's chrome.google.com/webstore. Once you have that typed in, simply hit enter, and this will open up the main page of the Chrome Web Store. Now that you're in the Web Store, you'll see a search box prominently displayed near the top middle of the page. In this search box, type in Grammarly and press enter. What you're doing here is searching for the Grammarly extension so that we can proceed with adding it to your browser. You'll be presented with a list of search results, and your focus should be on finding Grammarly, Grammar Checker, and Writing App. Go ahead and click on it. On the extension page, you'll find more details about Grammarly, but what's important here is finding the button that says Add to Chrome. It may be one of the first things you see, and clicking it will initiate the installation process. Chrome will then pop up a box asking you to confirm that you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension to proceed. This step is crucial as it ensures you're giving permission for Grammarly to integrate with your browser. After confirming, you need to be a little patient as Chrome takes a few seconds to download and install the extension automatically. It's a background process, so you'll just need to wait briefly. Once the installation is complete, the Grammarly icon will appear in the upper right-hand corner of your Chrome toolbar. If you don't immediately see it there, don't worry. Sometimes extensions hide away in the puzzle piece icon, known as the extensions menu. If that's the case, just click on that puzzle icon and find Grammarly in the list that appears. By clicking the pin icon next to Grammarly, you can ensure it stays visible on your toolbar for easy access. Once you have the icon visible, click on it to open a small window where you can sign in. If you don't have an account yet, this is where you can create a free one. And there you have it. Grammarly is now ready to help check your spelling and grammar across all your online activities on Chrome. Enjoy seamless and accurate writing with your new Grammarly extension.